So I I forget it. I leave for UAMS in the morning. I have what's called an abscess growth in my throat, about the size. They weren't able to remove it at Baptist. They weren't able to remove it at Mercy. So they decided, and we decided, I'm about to go to UAMS to get it removed. While here, they tried going down my throat to get rid of it. But because of my voice box and other stuff that's in the way, they didn't want to cut too much near it. So hopefully UMS can do better. But we'll see. Only reason why I'm making this video is to make people aware, and anything can happen during surgery because they're cutting near my throat. I'm not afraid of the what ifs. I have faith that things go smooth. But like I said, things can happen. So, although I pray against it, if I get called home, I'm not talking Fort Smith. I'm talking about my heavenly home. It is what it is. But there's still things on this earth that I want to see. I want to see my nephews grow up. I want to see me get to my first house. I actually wouldn't mind getting married again. I'd like to see me get into a boss position. But like I said, if that doesn't happen, hopefully I left behind something that people can carry with them. Whether it be my generosity, whether just me being a nice guy, my fashion sense that I recently picked up. Maybe I've inspired somebody to cook something, record it, share your cultures. Who knows? I keep making that face because it hurts to swallow. It hurts to swallow water. It hurts to swallow juice. It hurts to eat soup. And you can already hear my voice. The abscess keeps moving every time I swallow. It's almost like it goes back and forth between blocking off my esophagus and getting out the way. That's why it sounds vibrating. I've already had one major surgery in my entire life, and that was all the way back in 2011 when I shattered my hip. I was told, you may never walk again. Lo and behold, I do walk, I run, and other stuff. I just hope and pray that after the surgery, there are no lasting side effects like not being able to talk or sounding like this for the rest of my life. People who know me know I love to sing. I was told a long time ago that if you don't use the gifts God has given you, He will take them away. I pray against that. I love singing. If I don't sing for other people, I love singing for myself at least. I love those nights where I just put on some headphones, lay down on the couch, and just vibe. I can still do that, but it's not going to feel the same. I don't want pity. I wouldn't mind a hug every now and then. A little quick dap. Now, like I said, I'm not afraid of what's going to happen. I'm not dying, of course. But like I said, anything can happen during that surgery. One quick slip could be the end. But I pray that the doctors have a steady hand. I pray that nobody comes in a bad mood, or they know how to separate their lives from their jobs. Trust me, it's not easy every day. I do my best to separate my home life from my work. Is it always successful? Of course not. This video's going on almost 7 minutes, but I think I'm gonna post this everywhere. Whether you know who I am or whether you don't. If you notice there's an issue going on with you, whether it's like that or whether it's something you've just been ignoring for years, which is something I've been doing apparently. Regardless if you got insurance or not, have somebody look at you. I've had insurance, I just ignored it. Could be pride, could be I can get over it. It comes and goes. Just have yourself looked at.